So one of the issues with attaching stuff on this roof rack is not being able to use these ratchet straps to hook it on the roof rack. Let me show you. So you see these hooks are actually too small to go around the tubing. Now I know I could simply do this, go around and hook it like this, and that's secure there, but let's see what happens to the other side. So when it comes to the other side, we have the same hook issue, not being able to go around the tubing, but on this side, we have no excess strap to be able to create the loop like we did on that side. So what I usually do is I would take a piece of rope like this, create a loop, go around the roof rack, and then attach the ratchet strap to this rope like this. But I think it's time we find a better solution than this. So keep in mind that when we initially built this roof rack, we had no plans to mount anything on it. That's why we didn't do any mounting points. But over the years, I realized that being able to mount stuff on the roof rack, like chairs and tables and stuff, would save a lot of space in the cabin. So in this video, we're gonna make some adjustments to the roof rack to be able to mount stuff on it. So what we're going to be doing is welding on some tabs on the roof rack so we could mount the hooks. I have here a piece of angle iron that I cut off one side so we can weld it on the roof rack like that. And I went ahead and I drilled some holes on it. I still need to cut off the tabs and neaten it up. But the idea is that we'll take each tab and we'll weld it on each side of the roof rack so we can mount the hooks on. Now I'm going to be mounting lightweight stuff on here like beach chairs. Heaviest thing might be a plastic table. So these tabs would work just fine for me. But if I wanted a stronger solution, I would use some 3/16 angle and I would weld it from one end to the next and I would drill holes on that. That would be a lot stronger. But for the purpose of mounting lightweight items, these tabs would be just fine. So we just finished cut the tabs. You can see nice, neat, rounded edges. So next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up the area where we need to mount all of the tabs. Alright, so I just finished cleaning up the spots where we're going to be mounting the tabs. So now it's just time to put them in place and weld them.
I see you looking like a snack, let me see some. You are the wifey type, baby you could be one. Let me change your life, I could show you many reasons, different seasons. Hop in my bag and I
just finished tuck them, so now it's just time to weld everything together.
Don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-N-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. She is not damn, don't play with her. She is not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-N-C.
Alright, so I just finished weld all the tabs, so all 8 tabs welded on there. So now it's just time to paint it and install it back on the JIMNY. Alright, so there we have it, roof rack back on. So that's it for this video. Nothing crazy this time, just a small little project. If you enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe, leave some good vibes in the comments, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.